Another super rare car. It's a 2004 Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet. 6-speed manual, all-wheel drive of course, with 8,354 miles. That's it. 2004 is a 21 years old car. It's 8,354 original miles. It's a mint condition. And guess what? This has the turbo power kit, which has the modified turbochargers, intercoolers, ECU, and transmission. So it's rated at 444 horsepower with a 457 foot-pounds of torque and 6-speed manual. I don't think this era had the automatics. I don't know. I'm not sure. I think there was. I need to check. But then 6-speed manual was, was the main transmission. And I'll show you the inside. I love these like conventional handbrake in manual cars, because all my cars are manual pretty much, except the Ferrari and a few cars. I have an SUV too, but then all my favorite cars are manual. 911 Turbo. It's a 996 one. So a lot of people, they complain about this front headlights. It looks like a fried egg. So at that time, it was very unique, but then very ugly. But nowadays, it's classic now. It's considered to be classic nowadays. So another view from this portion. Leather seats. Then I think it's got the rear seats too. Yeah. Cabriolet, and then condition looks, pretty good, decent. It's less than 10,000 miles. So, and I think it's kind of lower too. I don't think this car was ever this low. I think it is lowered. I think it has a different suspension. The wheels are different too. So wheels are not normal. Those are not stock. I think there's an aftermarket. Deep dish. I love those deep dish style wheels. This is called deep dish. A negative camber, negative offset. So let me know if you're interested. It's got the Bi-Xenon headlights. And I think the original horsepower was like 400 or 415 or 420. And then because it has a turbo kit, upgrade kit, is a 444 horsepower. Let me know if you're interested. Oh, the price. Price is at $134,900. $134,900. Let me know. Write down the message below, and then we'll get in contact. Okay? Yeah, I'm pretty happy because I just sold a Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider through this YouTube channel from Texas.